Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Sora 2. You can do this on the Apple App Store. So you just search Sora by OpenAI. Okay, this one right here, it is free. You can download this on the Google Play Store. It's still not here. You can pre-register for it though. A lot of people have. And you'll actually get notified when it's available here. They're about to release this. And you can join the wait list, right, on your desktop as well. If you don't have iOS or you're outside US or Canada, you just join the wait list. Okay, you can sign in to try Sora AI, Sora 2. And if your region is supported, you'll see a launch button for Sora 2 web beta. Okay, that's what you can do. But if you are in the US or Canada, you have an iOS device, you're able to use this right now. Otherwise, you can just use it on the desktop browser as well. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.